Hello, welcome to the tutorial video on campaign messaging. Reach all your customers simultaneously with just a couple of clicks. That's campaign messaging for you. To use this feature, you first need to have a Kommunicate account. If you don't have one yet, please use the link in the description and sign up for free. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click on the campaign messaging icon here. You will be able to see your contacts here. If you further want to import more contacts, please click on this Import Contacts option here. You will see a pop-up where you can drag and drop or click to upload your CSV file. If you need help with the CSV format, you can download the sample CSV here and check it. Let's upload our CSV file now. It's uploaded. We will select one contact now to send a message. Once the contact is selected, select the platform on which you want to reach them. Here we will choose WhatsApp and the number from which we want to send the message. You can also select the templates from the list given. We will select a basic template and click on the Save button. More platforms such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Viber, etc. would also be available soon. Coming back to WhatsApp, click on Send Message button. Now we have received the message on WhatsApp. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and watch out this space for more updates.